In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a habit tracker in Notion. A simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Whether you're trying to maintain daily habits, reach personal goals, or monitor progress, a habit tracker can be an invaluable tool to keep you on track. So, let's dive right in and start creating a customizable habit tracker that suits your needs. First, we'll begin by creating a new table database within Notion. To do this, open up Notion and select the option for adding a new page. Once your new page is open, you'll see a plus new button on the page where you can choose Table from the database options. This step establishes the basic framework where you'll be entering all the information related to your habits. Next, we'll add specific properties to our table to organize our habits efficiently. Start by adding a new property, and let's name it Habits. This will hold the list of habits you want to track. You can input any habits you want to keep an eye on, from exercising to reading or meditating. Following this, add another property for dates. This property will help you track your activities on a daily basis, serving as a timeline for your habits. As a suggestion, configuring this date property to automatically update daily can be particularly handy for continuous tracking. Now it's time to incorporate functionality for daily habit checking. To do this, add checkboxes next to each habit within your table. Each time you complete a habit, simply mark the checkbox for that particular day. This not only keeps your habits organized, but also provides a satisfying visual cue when a habit is accomplished, encouraging you to maintain your routine. The final component of our habit tracker involves tracking streaks and monitoring your progress over time. Keeping track of streaks is an excellent motivational boost, as it visually represents your consistency and dedication toward your habits. To do this effectively, you could introduce a formula property that calculates the number of consecutive days a specific habit has been maintained. While it might require a bit of an initial setup, utilizing formulas in Notion can significantly enhance your habit tracking experience by providing intuitive insights into your progress. By now, your habit tracker should be fully operational and visually functional, tailored specifically to your needs. Remember, the beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. You can always return and adjust your habit tracker, add new features, or optimize existing ones as your needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has helped you set up a simple yet effective habit tracker in Notion. With your new tool at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to cultivate healthy habits and stay on top of your personal goals. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or further suggestions.